Alright guys, here's my review for the EverCross hoverboard. As you can see, this is how we took it from the box, and this is what's inside, and this is the manual for the hoverboard and for also the HoverCart. And then, alright, look, this is how it looks like. Really shiny. Let's see, brand new. So here, this is all the tools. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I attach it, how I assemble the hover cart. So you want the handle, so you have to connect that part and this part, and make sure your handle is on the right side. So you're gonna have to use this long screw and a washer, a tiny washer, and then you have to place it like that one. Then the other side has also a washer. Yes, so you place it over there. So I just place it over there and I will do it. You won't see me do it, but I'll just show you how the finished product is. So here's the finished product. So you'll notice that both of them is really tight. First, earlier the other side has a big gap, but you have to really tighten both sides for it to go in. So you have the free wrench and the Allen wrench for you to use, so it's easy to do. Now you do the other side. So just follow the instructions, pretty easy. It's the same thing. Place it there and place the screw and the nuts. The nuts. So that's it. Next is you assemble this part and this part. Okay, so you could choose whatever, how long. If a kid wants to play, you could make it lower, but if you're playing it, you could make it higher. If an adult is playing it, you could make it higher. It's your choice. Alright, so now over here is I am attaching the screw again. Pretty simple. You just attach the seat and attach the 4 screws on the chair, and in the back of the chair you have to place you're gonna place you're gonna place a washer and a nut. And the thing with this one is you really have to screw them all the way from this side, so that you should screw them all the way, because if not, the chair might wiggle and it might cause some accidents or break. So you really have to screw the chair really good, like what I did. So here's the finished product. This is how in the back side you place the bigger washer and the nut. Excuse me. So here I place the nut, then it's a finished product. I screw all of them. As you can see, the screw is showing protruding really high, so make sure it's all the way in. and tight to be safe. Alright, so this is the last part. So all you need is the two black washers, and put it, the first one you put it in your screw, and the other one you put it on the other side. As you can see, like you sandwich the screw, or you sandwich the tool. So you put two washers, the black washers, in between the screw, and so it won't since you're gonna be moving that handle up and down, so you have to put the washer. Make sure you put the black washer. Yes, see, I'm testing it out, making sure it's not too tight, but even though you tighten it, it will still move, so don't worry. Yep. Now you just do the other one, and that's it. For this one, I put in the Velcro. They've already put the Velcro, so I just opened it so that I could insert the hoverboard. Okay, next is I'm inserting the hoverboard. So what I did was just remove the Velcro and then install it. Like pretty simple. It's like you're just like tightening. I mean, it's like placing it in it's like putting a belt or a sandal. It's pretty easy, and it's also it doesn't peel off that easy, so you don't have to worry of it peeling off, because your weight is gonna be on there, so it won't be peeling off and like being disattached or anything. So just put the Velcro on and just snap it on. Yeah, so once you snap it on, it's ready. See? Alright, I made sure to tied it real good. Alright, you could even adjust it, move it left and right, and you could, I'm testing it out, make sure it's good. That's it. It's good. Okay, now here is how to do the flag. As you can see, this is the tools for you to do the flag. Yeah, you just assemble this one and that one, this one over here, and the flag over there. You just insert it. It's pretty simple to assemble. And then for where you attach the flag, you actually have to use this part here at the back of the chair. You have to open that nut and place this black rod and put the nut below it, so you could have it tighten. So probably it's like that. That's it. Right, so I'm gonna attach it and you'll see the finished product. Alright, here we go. So that's it. And you put the flag in here. That's how you assemble the flag. That's how you assemble the flag. Alright, let's test it out at the park. Alright, see here, I'm testing it out. It's pretty fast. see. uh, so since I've tried it already, it's really fast, like, and I actually intended it to run fast, so, to show how, well, how fast it could, but it could run way faster. It's just I just not. So you can see, you could even have your son ride on it. but but just make sure when you do it, you just drive really slow, because it could be really dangerous. But just do it if you already did it a lot of times, like you practice it a lot already, and just be slow, because this one doesn't have any seat belts, so don't recommend to have the kids play it like this. Just play it like 1% at a time, and always have space. So it's really fun. It's like a mini go-kart. And I guess if you buy another one, it's like you can have a race or something, or just have fun riding. Anyone can try it, and it's pretty easy to ride it. You just press forward for both handle to go forward, and move backward. You're just gonna grab the handle and pull it backwards. And here is me testing out the hoverboard. See, I'm doing it pretty slow, because the park isn't that clean. There's like wood and sticks on it, so I'm trying my best not to like fall or something. And this is also kind of like my first time riding it, so as you can see, I'm doing it slow, because you have an option to ride it fast and slow. So that's it. Hope you like it, guys. That's my review. I give it 5 out of 5, because it's fun, it's easy to assemble, and it's like a cool gadget to have. I'm having more fun with it than my son for now. That's it. Alright, guys, see you. Bye.